What's up? I just wanted to paint the knuckle real quick, so we're going to fit up the angle kit, the GK Tech roll center correction kit, and yeah, I'm going to go through a couple steps on how to install it, and then basically throw it back on the car. Finally. Two studs right here. This one's for the tie rod, this one's for the ball joint. So we're gonna go ahead and kind of mock it up. So they actually want the knuckle to sit flush right here. You can see that there's a gap and I can't close it in. So there's an Allen key right here. You back off the Allen key until it sits flush against the knuckle, and then you tighten her down. I'm gonna put the proper torque specs that they have on their instructional videos. So I'm just gonna go basically based off that. So I had the stud all the way at the farthest point, so I'm gonna go ahead and back it off until it sits flat on the knuckle. So it's pretty close. I'm gonna try and adjust the lower ball joint here to sit a little bit more flat, and then we'll tune in the fine adjustments. So you can see when I tighten it, it backs off from the knuckle, the little gap right here. So it's not touching right now. I'm gonna go ahead and back it off until it touches and then kind of fine tune it. Right about there. So I'm going to set the tie rod shank to 50 foot-pounds. I'm going to tighten the lower ball joint shank to 70 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to tighten the tie rod end shank to 30 foot-pounds. I'm just going to do a small demonstration about how cutting the knuckle can help you fit smaller wheels. So I just have the knuckle mocked up on the wheel now, but you can see how close it is to the wheel weights. Now this is a 17. If I had a 16-inch wheel, I would definitely have to cut them